Hi, it's Reset, and today I'll show you how to toggle webcam on Samsung Galaxy Book4. So the first option is to click and hold function button. It's FN button in the bottom left corner, and then click F10. And now the camera and microphone are blocked, and once again to unblock it. And if you want only webcam, then search for camera, click on it. Oops, I didn't want the app to work, I just want the camera in settings, so manage cameras. Select your camera, as you can see right here, camera privacy setting and camera access disable. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.